In this video, I will show you how to scan QR codes on Android. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and do this is normally on your camera app. So if you actually go ahead and open up the camera app, and what you're going to want to do is scan the QR code. So you can see I've got a QR code here on my computer, and by default it's bringing up the link for the QR code. So what you would do once you scan the code is press the button to be taken to the link, which is attached to the QR code. However, if that's not working for you, what you can do is try downloading an app called Google Lens. So if you actually go ahead and open up the Play Store on your device, and what you're going to want to do at the top is just go ahead and type Google Lens into the search box. And then what you want to do is go ahead and install and enable and make sure you're up to date with the Google Lens app. So once that's done, what you can do is again open up the Google Lens app, and what it's going to do is come up with a screen like this. All you need to do is press the blue allow access button and then press allow on the pop-up, and then at the very top just go ahead and press to search with your camera. So then you would press the blue open camera button, and what you can then do is try and scan the QR code again. And as you can see, again, it's going to come up with the link. So you would just press onto the link when the QR code is scanned. And that's going to take you across to the link which is associated with the QR code. So that's how to go ahead and scan QR codes on Android. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.